Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to be talking about those personal hygiene tips that is applicable for both men and women. This time around, I'm including men because I want them also to gain and benefit from this. Let's be real, we all want to be fresh, looking nice, smell nice at all times, but there are some things that we are doing that can be taking us aback. So that is what I want to spill out. My first point here is oral care, your mouth. Your mouth care. A lot of complaints about mouth odor that I've received from some of my patients, how to take care of it. They keep asking, they want to know what they can do. This is not something that can just happen. It requires habit. It requires you to do it daily. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before you go to bed. Imagine you eat throughout the day, and then you go to bed like that. Those food particles that are stuck inside, in between your teeth, how will you remove them? You are giving bacteria food overnight because they tend to live on this food and chunk, eat it, and even deposit debris. And this is where mouth odor do come from. The bad odor, they do result from all these things. So please wash them out. All these things you chop throughout the day, try to wash out all the dirty they leave behind, so that you feel fresh the next day, and you even have to wash in the morning. That's double freshness. You start glowing in your mouth. Next, facial hair for men. Men that have all these birds, baby stuff, try to be taking care of it, please. Don't allow it to wrinkle just rough and somehow. And sometimes you can get food particles in it. Sometimes stains of food you eat and you don't even know. That's why you have to wash it regularly, comb it, cream it, oil it, because bacteria and food particles can hide in there and you may not know. Next, maintain your nails. Men, women, boy, girls, always keep your nails clean. Like, wash it often. Either they are long, either they are short. Make them clean often, because the skin under your nails, they can trap in bacteria and dirt. Remember, when you use your hand to eat, you are getting those dirt and bacteria into your body again, which is not nice. So it's better you wash them often. Like when you are bathing in the shower, best way to do it is to use brush and wash your nails. If you have all the small toothbrush, you can even use it just to wash the skin underneath it while water is coming directly there, and you're washing with soap, you're washing with brush, everything will be out. And keep your toenails free from dirt also. I don't know why you do forget your toenails. Wash it also with this brush, and they can also trap in bacteria. Always remember, you can just take it as a routine every week, and pick a day within the week when you do your manicure and your pedicure. Next, don't use cotton balls. These cotton balls are not made for hair use, because they can endanger your eardrum and cause infection. So it is better you don't use them at all. If you want to take care of your hair, get a wet cloth, a wet handkerchief, a wet cloth. Just clean the outer one. You don't have to go deep and deep. Those places used to self-cleanse themselves. Those brown thing you used to remove, they are called cerumen wax, and they are harmless. They are not harming you. In fact, they are protecting your hair from dirt, bacteria, and anything that can enter. So don't mind them. Just clean the outer one, and remember to clean the back too. You don't need to remember. Don't leave it out. Clean it also. As you are cleaning the front, clean the back as well. Next, skincare. Take care of your skin. Men, don't think skincare is just for women alone. Men can also have skincare routine. Take care of your body, cream your body, moisturize, use sunscreen daily. As a man, you can use sunscreen just to protect yourself from the radiations of sun. You can use it to feel fresh and look nice. Both men and women use skincare. Take care of yourself. But mind you, make sure that whatever skincare product you're using, it is the one that is safe, not the one that will cause harm than good. So check out with your dermatologist for a right prescription of any skincare products you want to be using. My next point is shower 2 times a day. Throughout the day, you are outside, you're not indoors. Even though you are indoors, there's no big deal. You just go to the shower and have your second bath for the day. This will promote your sleep and make your body feel fresh. Remove all those sweats of the day, remove all the stress. In fact, through bathing, And I want to remind you, the neck. Why do you used to forget to bath it? Like the neck, include the neck, the back of the neck. Why do you often forget? Always wash with soap and sponge. All this neck, especially those neck that used to have step. Wash with sponge, both the back and the front. Not the one that we're having black there. Belly button, your abdomen. How do I call it? Your abdomen button. You often forget. I know you don't remember. Yeah, tell me in the comment. Do you remember to do that this morning? I'm sure you don't. Anyways, wash it often. And how do you wash it? You can take your clothes, maybe your handkerchief, even if you have cotton buds, you can use it to clean it gently. How do you do this properly? Just use coconut oil. If you have coconut oil or you have olive oil, you can just apply a little and allow it to sit for some minutes, maybe 5 minutes, so that it can be easy to remove any dirt around it. Take your cotton bud, still soak the cotton bud in oil and use it to clean out in circular motion. Circular motion. Just be cleaning it out from inside outward. And there you have it. You can wipe it up with clean wet clothes to clean it out. And that is it from now onwards. Because studies have shown that this place can contain 60 types of bacteria. Bacteria can be hiding in there. So you want to clean any dirt from now. I trust you would. Next, drying after bath. Take it serious. Whenever you're done bathing, don't just rush through all this rushing to dry yourself with towel. It is not okay. Always pat yourself dry with your towel. Don't rush. If you have fan, you can hold your fan and allow it to dry itself if you're not in a rush. But if you are in a rush, just pat dry gently and make sure you pat dry every corner. Like your inner thighs, from that your private area, pat gently. But make sure your private area have their own separate towel as a lady. Yeah. So you pat it dry. Your armpits, pat it dry. When you leave them wet, you can trap moisture. And when you're done drying, dry out your towel also. Don't allow it to stay wet throughout the day. Dry it out in the sun or where there is enough airflow. Next, always change your clothes every day. I don't want to hear that you wear one clothes yesterday. It's not that dirty. I can still wear it today. No, because probably it's not even probably. It is a must. You will sweat, even though it's a small sweat on that clothes. And you know where there is sweat is a friend to bacteria. Bacteria are around us. They live with us. If you are not being careful, if you don't maintain hygiene, then you tend to live with bacteria. So change your clothes every day. Any clothes you wear for a day, wash it out, dry it out, and change to another one. And men, don't use boxers often, like one boxer for a week, for 3 days. They believe it's not dirty. No, change it every day. That's how it's supposed to be. And women, always rotate your bras, change your bras. Please make sure you follow all these steps. They are so important. Don't overlook them anymore. Don't say because you are not having any health condition as a result of these things, then why should you change? It matter. You might not see it now, you might see it later. So I have to tell you to start inculcating the habit of a good hygiene. Well, do you know how often you should wash your bed sheets? I'm sure most people they don't know. Check this video out to find out how often you should wash your bed sheet. This is an interesting topic and it is important for you to know. My name is Kafayat Kemisola. I'm a Nigerian registered nurse. And if you're seeing me for the first time, nice meeting you and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.